In connection with the November 2nd bomb explosion and today's Imphal city bomb blast, the Manipur police has announced a cash reward of Rs 1 lakh to any individual who can provide any information leading to the arrest of the culprits involved in the incidents. Women organization Harauro Tangkham Apunba Maira Paibi held an alert meeting at Harauro Community Hall today in support of Kokomi. The women folk demanded the government to disclose the content of the Naga peace agreement at the earliest. A large quantity of ration rice meant for men Anganwadi and mini Anganwadi centers have been reportedly sold off allegedly by 3 local firms in cahoots with the concerned department, according to a reliable information received by TOMTV. As a part of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, the District Administration Imphal East, in collaboration with DPO, ICDS Cell Imphal East, today launched and distributed e-slates for Anganwadi centers in Imphal East. The event was held at Panchayat Bhavan DC Office Complex, Porompat, Imphal. The 21st edition of Northeast Book Fair is underway at the playground of Assam Engineering Institute located at Chanmari. The book fair, which began from November 1st, will continue till November 12th. It is organized by the All Assam Publishers and Booksellers Association. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma is going for a 3-day visit to Bangladesh today. His trip is a part of the Act East policy taken up under the government of India. Turkey captured the sister of dead ISIS leader Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi on Monday in the northern Syrian town of Azaz, along with her husband and daughter-in-law. Razmia Awad, 65, was detained in a raid near Azaz, Turkey's controlled Syrian town near the border, a media report said, quoting official sources.